Hi friends, it's Miss Amber. Um, this morning I will be doing a activity. My activity is called Pom Pom Transfer. It's kind of like a fine motor activity. So I'll show you what you will need. You will need pom poms and a muffin pan and tongs. You don't have to use these. You can use either a spoon or your hands. And then you can use a smaller a muffin pan if you would like. Um, so I'll show you how to do the activity. So here's my muffin pan. And what I'm going to do is just put some pom-poms in the muffin pan. And so you can either use your hand and transfer them into like another spot, or you can use a spoon. And parents will probably have to show you how to use the spoon to transfer them into each muffin pan. Or you can use your tongs and pick it up, transfer them. You can either put them in like a certain color thing. You can like put like purple into purple, or green into green, or here's a blue one, and here's another purple one. It's just a easy activity to do, a fine motor skill to see if you can, transfer them into each spot. It should keep the kids a little bit busy for a little while. And that is my activity. I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope that children enjoys it. Like I said, it's just an easy, fine motor skill, motor activity to do. And that's it. Have a good day. Bye.